Hi, this is Allison Williams, Math and Business Department Head at Reading Memorial High School. And the objective for this video is to show you how to join Microsoft Teams with your video on, but either blur the background or choose a different background. So if you go to your Teams app, there's a Join Now. Obviously, you don't need to care what you look like too much. So this little section right here is going to enable you to join with your video on. This section here is going to enable you to join with your microphone on. I usually join with my mic off if I'm a participant, just because there's sometimes feedback. And then here you can choose to blur your background. So you can choose, again, to blur it. I'm kind of sitting against a white wall, but this is what blur looks like. It does do a pretty good job of actually blurring out anything that really is actually like behind you. Or you can choose just like random things, so all we would be seeing is you. Um, I would love to see your faces. As I said, it's a little weird just to kind of see your initials but not hear or see anyone. And I'm not trying to make sure that you're there. I'm just trying to feel a little bit less crazy myself. So hopefully you'll consider joining so that I can see that face. And as I said in the email, I will also have a little time where you can introduce us to your pets if you would like that. So I'm looking forward to seeing everyone tomorrow.